Okay, in today's video I want to take a look at Amazon, and I want to give you a heads up to protect profits, and I'll show you why. Now here, actually the setup didn't really show up very well on the daily chart as far as the last buy in Amazon, but it was very clear using the 30-minute charts. Okay, so typically I'm doing a daily chart and 30-minute chart for pretty much everything that I look at, and then I will also do some other time frames on some of them. But here, this seems to be enough. We did have quite a nice symmetrical support decision. All these red lines tell you that there's a lot of symmetrical projections in this price cluster, but there are also, let's see, there was a 618 retracement, a 1272 extension, and it looks like a couple of other price relationships that I can't really see. Bottom line, it hit, it held, it triggered. The only real sad part was that if you weren't already in it, when we tested this support and you waited for a trigger, there was not really a graceful entry, because when we had this gap, it was so far away from the initial, definition of risk, which would have been, either under this low or underneath the low end of the zone. But we did continue to rally, and we have met target number 1, which was the 2021 area, I believe. So let's see, from this high to this low. Yeah, so the 2021, that target was met this morning, and we are moving into time resistance. Okay, so I have cycles between the 6th through the 9th, and Amazon is trading straight up into it. We've met minimum target number 1 with the extension. We have a fair amount of overhead resistance, and because of that, because of the time resistance here and the fact that we're extended, I would have to suggest that if we break the symmetry of this more recent swing, that you'd have a stop underneath here. Okay, because if we do break that, then I start using the larger projections of the prior declines to set up the next lower support decision. But until then, I would stay out of the way. I definitely do want to look at new buy entries, but like I said, it'll probably be coming from these larger swings. But we'll see what happens tomorrow.